Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your EastWest credit card. To cancel your EastWest credit card, you can simply go ahead and contact the customer service representative. So in order to do that, first of all, open a preferred web browser of your choice. Go ahead and open up a preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in eastwestbanker.com and press enter to end up in the official website for EastWest. Once you get to the main home page, scroll all the way down and get to the Contact Us tab. There, you will be able to see a customer service hotline number. Make sure you make a phone call on the customer service hotline number provided on the screen, or you can also email to this email address over here and mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card. EastWest offers its card holders the convenience of 24 hours customer service hotline. Go ahead and call the number and then mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Remember to settle any outstanding balances before canceling your card, and that's how you will be able to cancel your EastWest credit card in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.